Hey there and welcome back to the channel. My name is Anthony Arasso. If you're new to the channel, I do jewelry, DIYs, and creative content. So if you like that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that little bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this simple little pendant necklace. This was actually a piece from an earring and it had about 20 something pieces, and I did make some necklaces just like this, and I gifted them to some family members for Christmas. So I'm going to show you exactly how I put them together and how easy it was. But before we get started with the video, I do want to mention that I have a new website called anthony.com. I create pieces that are more unique and out there, so if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and check out the website. It will be linked in the description below. So without any further ado, with all that said, let's get right into this video, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need and how easy this was to put together. So the first thing that you will need is chain. You can get any type of chain, just get one that you know that your jump rings will fit around. A clasp, some type of earring pendant. This DIY is made from a thrifted pair of earrings, so you can go ahead and make some from a thrifted find or something that you have laying around. Jump rings, tailor's tape, and pliers. The first thing you want to do is measure out the length. My length of what I wanted was 20 inches, so I am measuring mine out to 20 inches and cutting the chain at that length. Next, you want to add your clasp with a jump ring to one of the ends of the chain, and you're going to add a jump ring just on its own to the opposite end of the chain as well, so that when it closes all together, you're able to attach them with the clasp. Next, you're going to add your pendants to a jump ring and also add your chain into that same jump ring so that your pendant can move freely. And there is your finished product, your pendant just on its own, or you can also do this with several others and add them all together for a fuller look. I think it's really great how these small little pendants that come from earrings glisten and gleam in the light, and they just look great all together or just as one. I do like the more subtle look with the darker toned blue. It just looks really great and just my style. So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and found it helpful. You can always find earrings at thrift stores that are kind of like dangly and have several pieces on them, and you can always create something like this. So I hope that helps for you guys to be able to know how to do that and how easy it is to look at something like that and create something like this that's a little bit more unique and something that you're not just going to buy, that somebody else may have. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also hit that little bell for notifications, and I will see you in the next video.